Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ikuya Stays Relaxed, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. So today I decided to make a really strong protein mask for my hair, and I'm using all natural ingredients. I'm using some avocado, a full avocado, and then some aloe vera, some honey. So as you can see, my avocado is really ripe, and I just wanted to show you guys by using my left hand, but then basically I'm just scooping everything into my bowl. I was using one hand to hold the camera, so it was a bit slow, but basically you guys can see what I'm doing. So now I have my aloe vera, and I'm going to divide the aloe vera into two, and then I'm going to use the spoon that you see in the bowl to scrape everything out, as you see. So I'm just showing you guys how I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm done with scraping out all my aloe vera gel. I forgot to add that I also have some Ayurvedic oil there that we're going to mix into the whole protein mask for my hair. Okay, so back to my blender. So I've started off by putting the avocado inside, and then I'm just blending everything, including the aloe vera and then the oil, and I'm dumping everything back into my bowl. Okay, so now I'm now coming to add my honey into it, and I didn't really measure, but then it would be approximately 1 tablespoon of oil. Of honey. So now I'm just mixing everything to make sure that it incorporates well into the mixture. Okay, so now I'm coming to put this mixture into my hair. I forgot to inform you guys, but then I got a bit of heat damage from a previous flat ironing technique that I went to do on my hair. So I was trying to use this avocado mask to sort of bring back the elasticity in my hair. So I'm just my hair has been divided into sections, and then I'm just putting in some of the avocado mixture, and then I'm putting my hair into a bantu knot. So I'm going to do this for all the sections of my hair, and I'm going to speed up the process. Okay, so I'm done, and I've been able to distribute the mixture evenly into my hair. So basically now I just take a plastic rubber bag, and I kept this on my hair for about 1 hour. I think it works better when you incorporate heat, if you have like a hair dryer or something like that. Okay, so my hair has been washed and I'm just taking out one of the twists to show you guys the results. This actually has to be done at least twice a month, and this is actually my first time doing this, so I wouldn't see too much of a difference, but then I did see that my hair was curlier than it was before I did this. And this hair protein mask is really nutritious, and I plan on using it very frequently to see a big change in my hair after my heat damage. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you guys so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.